think I got it. I could do this trick so easy on the ground, but then doing it on this spot, it's a whole different thing. We're just gonna practice. I'm at Dollar Tree, I need to get some chalk and just draw a line that's just as wide as this spot. And if we're decent and confident, and we'll just go to the spot and try it. Before we go to the pipe spot, I bought a piece of chalk and I'm going to just draw 3 paths, and each one being more narrow than the other, just to practice. I've never practiced doing a half lash in a perfectly straight line. And I think it's gonna be very important to try this trick because the pipe is not that wide and it's round. I gotta go dead straight. Anytime I'm leaning or kind of getting all squirrely is not gonna be good. So just practice 2 times and see how good we can get. We got 3 different difficulties. This is going to be the easiest with the pink, then blue, medium. This is kind of what the pipe is like at the very top, but this would be the most useful. Level 1, level 2, level 3. If we can do level 3, then we can definitely do the pipe. I mean, that's really skinny. So I've never done something like that before, so let's see what happens. When you think about going straight, you get a little squirrely. I think the hardest part is bringing the back wheel around straight. I'm more sketched about breaking my ankle in the rocks than falling in dusty water. It's not every try. I think the blue is the closest thing to it, but I want to be good with the yellow. Because if I can do it with the yellow, then I got this first shot. But what are we gonna do? Let's just go there. Go, don't keep letting go.
Wait, now this is...
Oh, is that it? It's right here. I mean, it's not super skinny, but it's definitely skinny enough. I've been procrastinating for a minute. It's not, no, it's doable, right? You think? I don't know.
That's fat.
It's fat, is it?
This one's fat.
So you good? No, it's, oh, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not the end.
You're just beat, bro, if you fall. Like, you're just dead.
It's not the end of the world, but kind of is if you go on this side.
And I got my phone.
I want to do this for a while. Right, it's not bad walking.
I'm riding now.
Oh, we could do it. I mean, Bry sketch. I won't Bry, but maybe I can half lash. I just walked a little bit and I almost tripped. I didn't even get on this thing yet. You know what I'm worried about? You doing this, like you jumping, and then you think you're good, and you know you start leaning, you just tip. You're like, oh yeah, I landed, and you start like creeping, and then... Why is half lash sketch? I'd rather tail whip. Chilling?
Yeah, y'all got that.
Oh no, dude. Doing a nose manual on a pipe is just sketch.
Yeah, like, I really think I'd be fine, but I don't want to take my chances.
I know.
There's rocks down there and shit.
That's what I'm worried about, the rocks.
And I'd have to wear shoes that I didn't care if they got wet.
You whip and hype me up for a half lash?
Try to see if I slide.
Right, it's not bad, but it's sketch.
It's just a tail whip.
If you follow him, we'll go straight to H&M and buy you a full outfit.
Oh, that's terrible.
Right, why is it stupid? It's so annoying.
Are you filming?
I'm filming. I mean, I'm ready to try mine too. It's just... You want me to go first?
Oh, I was going to do it.
You want me to go first? You want to go first? You sure?
I got it. Let me do one more jump.
All right, let me do a jump too. All right, let me test some jumps. I feel like
it's
because...
What am I doing?
That's what I'm saying. You know what it is? I feel like because I'm on this, I'm getting squirrely. If I was just on flat, I'd be straight as hell. Like I'm riding, I'm like, oh. Just get nervous.
So worried about leaning.
Yeah.
I'm only worried about leaning.
Leaning, yeah, leaning is the only worst.
Tail whip.
Dude, I was ready to hold you. You didn't. Woo, that was sketch. You did it. Damn. Yo, can you come over here in case I fall? You can hold me, you know what I'm saying? Dude, that's sketch. I think I'd rather tail whip.
I saw you move to the left.
I'm going in the water with this trick, 100%.
Yeah, you're just veering to the left.
I'm going to the water, right? Come on, dude. This should be easy. I can do this trick 1,000 million times. Maybe I can't do it. Oh my God, dude, I don't like that.
That was good.
Oh, I just looked at the clip after I did it and it probably sounded like I wasn't excited. I was so nervous and shocked that it happened and I didn't want to do something stupid. It always happens. Yeah, I did it, and I like trip walking back or something stupid. So for those thinking I'm not excited, holy crap, I'm excited. I'm just relieved it's over. Unless you guys want me to go back there and do a different trick. I was thinking whiplash, but I would have to practice that a lot. So let me know in the comments if you want us to go back there. I told Kenny he needs to bri flip, and I should do either a whiplash or a cliffhanger. We'll do it the same day, that way no one has to try to do this stuff by themselves, but you let me know in the comments if you want us to go back. But for now, we're gonna finish up. There's 2 tricks that I need to figure out today. Even if I don't land it, I need to figure it out. And we're here at the basketball court before they come here, so let's make it happen. All right, first trick I wanna do is something I did in my garage once. Basically go to scooter fakie, and I usually try to spin like that, but I wanna spin and then go to both front pegs. Work that once. So I'm gonna do this and then get my other foot on. So that's trick number 1. Let's try to get it done. No way. That was sick. That was a new kind of boomerang. That's a brand new trick. I did it before, straight to the pegs and jumped out, but this time I did a full boomerang back to scooter fakie. Nice. All right, I just tried the second trick that I thought I wanted to do and it's not working out. See the trick I just did? Imagine doing that twice. So scooter fakie, hang 10 boomerang, scooter fakie, but then go again, which is a little weird because I'm so used to doing it from a straight thing and then I'm going circle and fakie, so I gotta figure it out. But this I'd be hyped on. It'd be more hyped than the original plan for today. So let's see if I can make it work. First one in like 3 tries, and now I can't.
Got 3?
Yeah.
Pop good?
Yeah!
What the hell? It took so long. Oh, it's not exactly what I wanted, but the more I did it, the harder the first part became. I gotta take it. The dangerous trick turned out to be pretty easy. I think it was 3rd or 4th try, and the trick that I thought I'd be able to learn, I didn't really learn yet. It's still a struggle and it's still difficult. I want to get this trick down. I feel like it's a very useful trick. A lot of my tricks go into that scooter fakie spinning position. So to be able to combo more things from that, I think is so useful, especially to be able to get on the front pegs after that. So useful. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know in the comments. And like I said, I am looking forward to what tricks you think we should try if you really want us to go back to that spot. I personally was thinking either a whiplash or a cliffhanger. Both would probably suck. I'm gonna have to practice that a lot. Kenny says he could bri flip as long as he has a change of clothes. But you let me know in the comments if you're excited for those tricks. Nice. If you have other ideas, let me know. Uploading videos every single day on the channel, more shorts than long, kind of figuring this whole YouTube thing out. But either way, there's a lot happening in the next 2 months with a huge, major, the biggest news ever in history on this YouTube channel will be around June 1st, the first week, 2 weeks. Biggest news ever. It's gonna be nuts. The whole channel's gonna go and it's gonna be crazy. For you that have been watching me for years, you're gonna flip. People that just started tuning in, you're gonna flip. Either way, it's gonna be nuts. Can't say anything besides that, but just keep watching. I'll give you little hints even now and then. And new sponsors coming too. That's like news on the way to the big news. Appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.